Hey guys, Teresa Barber with Sippie Couture. Okay, there's a massive epoxy sale at Mr. Nola's Glitter, and if I don't tell you about it and make sure everybody hears, I will not be happy with myself, because when 40% off comes along, that is massive. So really quick, look at this. This was done in glass coat. This shine, guys, the clarity and the shine. Look at the bottom. This is over chrome vinyl, zero bubbles. Everything just pops on their own. It's super easy to work with. That shine is absolutely insane. This one was done with speed dry. Same thing. Look at that shine. Look at the shine from this. All of these glitters just set right in place when I put it down. I had enough time to work with it, maybe 15 minutes of open time for the speed dry, and I was able to lay everything down without it shifting, and look, you still get that really great shine. So much clarity. Like I said, 40% off. That is today, April 1st, till tomorrow, Sunday, April 2nd. Same thing with this. Look at this. This was done in speed dry. They're fast setting epoxy. Look at that. I mean, that clarity and shine. It's going to get me every time. But I know I posted this everywhere, I think, so far. I want to make sure I don't miss out anybody on YouTube. So head on over to Mr. Nola's Glitter. You don't need a code. Just shop for my link. It'll bring you right to the little areas that you want to get to their speed dry and glass coat. I also have linked these refillable little honey bottles that they have online. They have these little flip top lids. They also have little squeezable lids that are super easy to use. You won't get a lot of drips with it, and just helps when you're pouring out of those big jugs very easily. So head on over to Mr. Nola's Glitter. Catch this sale while it lasts, while supplies last. Today and tomorrow, like I said, 40% off. And also YouTube channel. This YouTube channel, I'm looking at my screen, we're at 8,397 subscribers. 10,000 is our big number. I would love it when we pass 10,000 if we can keep going, but for now, that's our big goal, because I want to do this big giveaway and give you guys a Cricut Explorer Air 2, tumblers, turners, glitter, epoxy, gift cards, a bunch of stuff. So please subscribe to this channel. Use my link. Head on over to Mr. Nola's Glitter. Whenever there is not a sale going on, use my code Sippie10 and it will save you $5 off 50 or more. And that's it. I just want to make sure I didn't miss anybody with this little sale going on. So head on over, stock up on your epoxy, and they'll get another shipment in. They're just clearing out making room for more. So all right, guys, have a good weekend. See y'all soon. Sorry this was a rush. Thanks for watching. Bye.